welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele, and thank you so much for coming back, tuning into this channel to learn a little bit more about insurance. So the reason I made this video today is because I saw a post on LinkedIn when someone was livid because they submitted a claim for an ironing board, and their iron and the ironing board was apparently really expensive and the iron also equally expensive, but the insurer refused to pay even though they have contents cover. Okay, so I could see a lot of feedback from everyone else commenting on it, commenting their frustrations, and I had to come and be the voice of reason. Although I may be the voice of reason and it might not be fully welcome, I feel I need to address this and just also answer some little questions about this contents cover. So contents cover will not cover you if your ironing board breaks or if your iron breaks, purely because it's not accidental damage of glass and mirrors forming part of furniture. That is actually what is in most insurance policies. In terms of accidental damage or accidental breakage, it's only limited to glass and mirrors forming part of furniture as well as TV sets. What does this mean? It basically means just that. So glass and mirrors forming part of furniture. So if you've got a speelkas, I'm from the old school, so spiel cabinet, speelkas, and that glass breaks, your insurer will be able to pay for that. If you have a room divider from us, also back in the days, your room divider, if someone smashes or by mistake the glass forming part of that room divider, that will be covered. So it's really limited. And then over and above that, they will also cover accidental breakage of your TV set, which is nice. And the TV set is actually quite huge. So that comes for me as a great, whew, there is some cover. Now, you may be sitting there thinking, that's a bit unfair. I'm paying for all these contents and then they're only going to limit the accidental damage cover to this. Why is that? Well, it's a variety of reasons. And listen, I wasn't there when the founding fathers of insurance came up with all these rules. But from my basic understanding, if you think about it, if I hate a certain chair, for instance, I could sit very abruptly on it and smash it and it breaks on the floor, and I phone my insurer just to be able to replace that. If I was, for instance, not happy with the way my bed looks or the way my bedroom suite is, I could maybe, I don't know, be like really happy and accidentally smash it so that I could claim for my insurance policy. So you start seeing that a lot of these things in your contents or household contents section are really prone to accidental damage and also prone to fraudulent accidental damage claims. So your table that has got glass or your speelkas or anything else, that glass that gets broken, sharp, they'll cover it. Your TV set, sharp, they'll cover it. Everything else, you have to self-insure in terms of accidental damage only. And as I discussed before, it's because premium rating is really relatively low for content insurance. And then secondly, the fraudulent aspect of it or the fraudulent claim aspect of it comes into question, and then the waters are a bit murky. But contents cover as a whole is a very beneficial cover. There are some surprise covers that they offer you, which I'll mention in other videos leading up to this. So it's a really great cover. It's just those aspects or that aspect of it in terms of accidental breakage or accidental damage, it's only limited, and I hope you understand why. And if you feel it's so unfair, tell me, and maybe if I've opened your mind a little bit and you go and look at your insurance policy and you start seeing that your car is a bit higher but your contents are relatively low, maybe a third if not less of your car premium type of a vibe. In terms of that, then you can say, you know what, Ayanda, it makes sense, I understand. Let's let this thing be. Insurers don't hate us, etc., etc. So I hope that this video was informative, and I do hope that you will stay tuned, watch more as I tackle this issue of contents cover so that you can fully understand what you are covered for, what you're not covered for, what you could additionally add on so that you are happy and you don't go and complain to everybody about something that is a general exclusion. And I feel, for instance, particularly me, I don't work for an insurer, but I feel it's not really to shortchange you or to rob you of your money. It's just, it's business. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, tell all your friends to watch this channel, share it with everybody as well, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.